Always wonder, what is love? Is it burning red or ocean blue? I never felt the butterflies like those lovers do until I met you. You're standing there, I'm holding my breath, 'cause I'm terrified to tell you that I think I'm in love with you. I like to hear your stumble words when you tell me your theories. They call us nerds, like hell I give a damn what people care, when all I see was your perfect hair. Can't seem to get enough of that mesmerizing glare, and I was like, I think I'm in love. But what is that? Storm clouds of gray blocking me off from your way. Can I get through all your icy haze if you let me stay? Is it too late? Is it too late? I wanna turn back the time and held your hand in mine. Had I known you were in pain, I'd be your sunshine in the rain. I will light your darkest days, so trust me, baby, let me stay. I promise you'll be okay, 'cause I won't be your sunshine in the rain. I never thought you'd be the one, 'cause back in high school we're young and dumb. Why are you so insecure about your life? Can't relate, 'cause darling, you're gorgeous. Can't seem to forget about your everlasting stare, and I was like, I think I'm in love. But what is that? Storm clouds of gray blocking me off from your way. Did you know you broke my heart when you said I'll never love again? Is it too late? Is it too late? I wanna turn back the time and held your hand in mine. Had I known you were in pain, I'd be your sunshine in the rain. I will light your darkest days, so trust me, baby, let me stay. I promise you'll be okay, 'cause I won't be yours. If I can turn back the time, then maybe you'll be mine. Had I known you were in pain, I'd be your sunshine in the rain. I will chase your fears away, so hold my hand, don't be afraid. I promise you'll be okay.